Today we're going to create a simple bootloader from scratch. But first, what is a bootloader? A bootloader is the first program that runs when a computer starts. The final operating system loads by searching for a bootable device. Loads the first 512 bytes into memory and starts executing that code. Our bootloader will be simple. It will not load the full operating system yet. Instead, it will print a message on the screen to show that our code is running directly on the computer. We write in assembly because it gives us direct control over the CPU. The processor starts in 16-bit real mode, so our code is made for that environment. The BIOS loads our bootloader at memory address 0x7C00. The code that uses BIOS interrupt 0x10 to display text and color if you configure that, printing each character from our message one by one. At the end, we make sure the file is exactly 512 bytes and the boot signature 0xAA55. Then you will need to make the floppy by typing nesem -f boot.bin or whatever else you named it, boot.img and enter. After assembling the code nesem and running it in QEMU, the computer starts directly in no problem. This is the first step to create your own operating system. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We have much more content than this. Go watch it. I see you in the next one.